How to ignore and unignore group messages on Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can ignore and unignore group messages on Messenger app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Messenger app. After you do that, you should see different DMs here, including groups. Now, if you want to ignore certain groups, what you'll have to do is you'll have to long press on that group. After you do that, you should see an option to ignore them. Tap on ignore, and there we go. Now it's gone, it won't be on your chat section. That is how you ignore messages. Now, if you don't have the option to ignore a group, what you can do is you can simply mute the group first, tap on until I change it, and simply archive the group, because that is what basically ignore means on Messenger. Now, if you want to unignore messages on Messenger, head over to the menu section on the bottom right and head over to archive. Right there, you'll find all the messages and all the groups that you have ignored. As you can see, the message that I ignored at the first is here as well. Also, the one that I archived is here. Now, if you want to unignore this message, long press on it, and there you'll find unarchive option. Unarchive it, and do the same for the other one. Let me just unarchive this and head over to the chat section. Now you can unmute the one that you muted if you did not have the ignore button, and that is basically how you unignore messages. And that's all for today's video. That is all. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.